Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing the other half of the laundry set I did. I did the washer last week. I'll be doing the dryer this week in the satin nickel color. Model number is GFD65. So I'm going to be talking about that. And it is a 7.8 cubic feet, so it's a really good size. We're going to start off right here with the power steam function that it comes with. Basically, it uses steam to release any deep set wrinkles and get rid of any kind of stains and such, with a little bit softer than just average washing and drying. And moving on, it does have built-in Wi-Fi, which you pair with your GE Home Appliances app, which will run diagnostic reports for you. It'll let you know when loads are done and stuff like that. And then going on from that, it does have this quick dry function. I believe it'll dry your clothes in around about 30 minutes, and that's just for everyday loads, for people that are getting in and out as quickly as possible. Also does have a reduced static option. So what that is, it combines turning of the drum plus the steam element in the back, and that will just reduce any static that you have on clothes that like maybe active wear that does typically get quite staticky, and it will reduce that. It also does have a sanitized cycle, just like the washer. It uses a combination of steam and various other things to get rid of common household bacteria and all that kind of stuff. Wrinkle care, also that does kind of fall under the category of the power steam de-wrinkle, and that is for larger loads. So if you've got some dress shirts or something like that, you can throw a bunch of them in. It will release all those wrinkles without you having to use an iron or a steam or something like that. Also does come with this dampness alert, which basically you can press it and it will tell you when the clothes are kind of more of a damp if you were to iron them yourself, and you can pull all those items out before they get too dry or they're too wet before you have to iron them. Also, it does have a vent sensor, which lets you know when there is a restriction detected in your dryer vent too, which is super nice. So yeah, that's all I have on this dryer for today. There are pins and all the specs on our website, appliancefactory.com. We are open and we're here to serve you guys, and that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.